Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Legal Skills. If your legal research skills are limited to copying case law and summarizing judgments, AI will definitely replace you. So, does that mean legal researchers are becoming irrelevant? See, if you are a law student or a junior lawyer, this question is not theoretical, but it directly affects your career. Today, let's discuss this calmly. See, if legal research means just search and summarize, then yes, AI can do that. AI can identify issues from fact patterns. AI can suggest applicable statutes as well. AI can provide case summaries. It can draft structured answers and it can generate arguments as well. For basic research tasks, AI is fast and efficient. But here is the important part. See, legal research is not just about finding law, but it is framing the relevant issue. AI can frame issues based on patterns, but a good researcher asks whether the issue framed is relevant as per the given facts or not. AI can also summarize a case, but distinguishing ratio from obiter requires careful reading. So, one wrong interpretation can weaken your whole argument. Now, let's make it clear that AI is not eliminating legal research, but it is only eliminating mechanical research. Now, what is mechanical research? Mechanical research is all about copying cases, repeating textbook explanations, and writing generic memos. Therefore, the future belongs to analytical researchers. Now, what is the solution? The solution is not to fear AI, but the solution is to upgrade your thinking. Learn to identify issues, learn to find relevant rules, learn to apply the relevant rules with the facts, and learn to prepare counter arguments. Now comes the use of AI. You can use AI each time, but make sure you verify and refine it every time. Lastly, the more deeply you understand law, the less replaceable you become. So don't panic and don't fear AI. It will not replace good legal researchers, but it will only replace average ones. See, entry level mechanical research work will shrink, but strategical analytical work will grow. This is exactly why legal skills focuses on legal research and writing in a structured way. We don't teach research as a clerical task, but we train students to think, analyze, and write persuasively. Because in the era of AI, thinking is your competitive advantage. If you want more content on this, subscribe this channel. Thank you.